Hey guys, welcome back to the Backyard Collector channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Buck 417 Budgie. This is a very, very small knife. It's California legal for probably nobody watching this is from California, but in case they are, here we go. See if we can focus. Alright, so it's got the famous heat treat, and if you can see that, it is S35VN steel. So it is different from what Buck usually does with their 420HC. This is a frame lock knife. So do that to close it. Or you can do that. So, sorry about the Band-Aid. That is not from any of my knives, thank goodness. That is from a piece of exercise equipment that I was disassembling earlier and gave me a nasty cut. It's actually on this side of my finger, but okay. Let's do some size comparison. Here it is next to the Buck Vertex that I showed last video. Let's open them both up. Actually, let's do this. So, yeah, small knife. Here it is next to my brass armor Zippo. So you can see just how small it is. Very small. Not much bigger than a Zippo. And just for good measure, here it is next to the 110. Interestingly enough, it is actually heavier, I believe, than the Vertex. So, the smaller knife is actually heavier. Now, the pocket clip on this is different from that of the Vertex. I don't love the pocket clip on this because you can't just kind of slide it onto your pants without having to use two hands. This, you can do that. That's what I really like about this pocket clip. You can slide it on and off, but it's not going anywhere. It's still, like, plenty tight. This, you got to use two hands. At least I did. I couldn't just slide it on. So that's one downside for me. But, very, very small knife. But came very sharp, as have all my Buck knives. Works very good for what it's intended for. I got it in the black G10 handles, and I believe that's a Cerakote keyring. But that's about all I have to say about this knife. Pretty good. I kind of like it. It's got its place. Most of the time I'm going to be reaching for a bigger knife, but this still comes in handy. So, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.